Hello everyone, my name is Birum Islam. Today I will tell about a time when I worked on a team project. First day, we are very nervous because of it's our first team work, and secondly, I'm very interested to work to team project. Is Winton team I worked on was our practical. Every person honored their teamwork, and every person was help each other. We collaborated closely, holding regular meetings to brainstorm ideas. We help each other. We are doing our teamwork in my home, and every person come my home in some fruits, snacks, and pen, paper, etc. Uh, our teacher will very happy to see our teamwork, and we are very happy that our teamwork is success, and we are first things we are very nervous because of it's our first teamwork. We are completed together. That's it. Thank you, everyone.